they have people they talk say 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the owner. They always they tell them say it depends the kind of environment where you do. Place where they stay for town. If they thief you for 99 days, even you, the owner, go lost. No be joke. Those boys, they are nothing than they thief. Even things will be free for there, then they thief them. Today, I go for church. Somebody thief somebody testimony. First, I go testify. Who get mine thief waiting God no do for her? No be juju be that. And the kind things then they thief, even you will be the owner self go surprise. Last week, somebody enter our compound, come thief our dustbin, go. We don't know whether we go report to ref or we go report to police. And no matter your condition, they must steal something from you for there. You get one guy waiting for compound, the guy they complain since, say import. Yesterday they go thief for his house. Now they don't thief in poverty, he no poor again, he don't wretched. Even me, if I dey like this, I dey complain, say I no get money. Thief get mine, they enter my house, come to thief. In the middle of the night, then they search for money. I wake up, we begin search with them. No food for lazy man. If money, they make all of us see. And I always tell people, life is all about packaging. You know, based on packaging, people no say constant na akamu go study abroad. Look the way thieves they operate for other countries. You will love to be stolen. The other country where person go come thief you. The person where they come thief you, in they presentable. If you look in the dress wear, black and black, even you then the thief, they get joy. Now, wetin concern Nigerian thief and fashion. For Nigeria, who they come thief if they like crayon, innocent. And the kind names they are thief, they answer, go even give you joy. You go the hear names where they related to wetin then they do like, go hear thief name like the black burglar, the bandit. Nigerian thieves are very different. You know, say Nigerian thief, no say them be thief. Then go see they go answer name for Bible. Moses, Jacob. Yesterday they walk out for my one. Abraham point me gun, kill my phone. Thank you. My name is Shaka Shaka.